everyone, today we are making a quick and satisfying egg and bacon fried rice, packed with protein and nutrient-rich vegetables. I'm using 2 cups of leftover rice from the restaurant we went to yesterday, no food waste. It's a little bit clumpy, so we use a spoon to break it apart. Then it can fry evenly and stays fluffy. Now let's prepare the bacon. First, cut them in half. And take one of the halves and cut lengthwise down the center. Finally, cut them into small pieces about half an inch wide. For the vegetables, let's prepare carrots, shallots, green onions, fresh corn, and sweet peas. Start with a small piece of carrot, cut it into thin strips and then into small cubes, about 1 centimeter in size. And next, prepare 2 small shallots, cut them in half, then dice them into small pieces, about the same size of the carrots or corn. To cook evenly, once the shallots are chopped and in a ball, use your hands to gently separate the pieces because they usually stick together in little bunches. Then we chop 2 green onions. They will be added at the very end for extra flavor and freshness. For the corn, I'm using half an ear of fresh corn. Whenever possible, I always go for fresh, seasonal vegetables because they just taste better and healthier. In the end, let's grab a small handful of sweet peas. This is about 1/3 of cups. You can use either frozen or fresh. Now that all the veggies are prepared, let's get the eggs ready. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a small pinch of salt, and beat them well till the yolks and whites are fully mixed. Alright, everything is prepared and ready to start cooking. Let's heat a wok over medium to low heat and add just a little bit of oil because bacon already has plenty of fat. And then add the chopped bacon and slowly cook it till it turns golden and the fat is rendered out. And now toss in the carrots, corn, and peas. Stir them around and let them cook for a minute or 2. Then add the shallots. Because the shallots cook faster, that's why I add them in the end. Once everything is softened and smells amazing, we add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, a pinch of white pepper, and some chicken bouillon powder, and a tablespoon oyster sauce. Then mix everything well. When it's ready, transfer the bacon and the veggie mixture to a plate and set it aside. In the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and then pour in the eggs. Scramble them gently till they are almost cooked through but still a little bit soft. Make sure don't overcook the eggs. Now time to add the rice and stir everything together. Use your spatula to press and toss the rice so it mixes well with the eggs. At this point, I add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to give the rice a nice even look and a deeper flavor. And then add the cooked bacon and vegetables back into the wok. Give everything a final toss. Then add a little bit of salt to taste. In the end, just enough to balance the flavor. Right after that, sprinkle in the chopped green onion and you stir them in and we are done. This fried rice is simple but packed with flavor and goodness. And I hope you give it a try and enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.